go in the Marine Corps, you know that you're going to be killing people. That's what they're for. And the Raiders specialized in being the first in, last out.
My title is Marine Raider. I will never forget the tremendous legacy and sacrifice of those who came before me. At all times, my fires will be accurate. With cunning, speed, surprise, and violence of action, I will hunt the enemies of my country and bring chaos to their doorstep. I will keep my body strong, my mind sharp, and my kit ready at all times.
You want to be a Marine first off because you want to be the best.
I have a great deal of pride in being a Raider. I can't imagine doing anything different.